Hi friends, welcome back to Super Light Foods. Today let's make a snack recipe called Bajji. We can make this recipe in just 20 minutes. So let's get started. In a bowl, add half cup of flour, 1.5 cups of gram flour, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 3 chopped large onions, 3 chopped green chilies, add 1 to 2 cups of water, 2 eggs, 100 gram dal, 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into cubes and add some cut sausages and mix well. Then add boiled beef pieces and mix well. In a pan, add oil. Wait till the oil to be heated and start frying with a spoon. Wait till the bhaji to be fried well. Most of the time this recipe is made for evening snack. Now your bhaji is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. For more simple, unique and interesting recipes, subscribe to Super Life Foods and make sure you like, share and comment for more recipes.